The wait is finally over. Garmin's most anticipated smartwatches, the Fenix 9 and Fenix 9 Pro, are here, and Garmin has packed some seriously exciting upgrades into its latest flagship lineup. We're talking about a dramatically brighter display, massive battery life, faster maps, new software features, and even satellite connectivity on the Pro model. But here's the big question: which one should you actually buy? At first glance, the Fenix 9 and Fenix 9 Pro look quite similar, and they do share many of the same core features. However, once you look closer, some major differences begin to appear, and depending on how you use your watch, those differences could make the Pro model well worth the extra money. Let's start with the design and build quality. Both watches bring a noticeable upgrade over the Fenix 8, with Garmin introducing more titanium into the construction. The standard Fenix 9 combines titanium with fiber-reinforced polymer. Its bezel and rear section use metal, while parts of the side construction still rely on polymer. The Fenix 9 Pro, however, takes the premium approach much further. Its main construction makes much more extensive use of titanium, giving it a more rugged and high-end feel. And there's another major benefit. Thanks to its redesigned titanium construction, the Fenix 9 Pro is reportedly at least 16% thinner than the Fenix 8 Pro. That could be a huge deal for outdoor enthusiasts who want a tough adventure watch without feeling like they're wearing a giant brick on their wrist. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades, the display. The Fenix 9 gets a massive brightness boost, reaching up to 3,000 nits compared to around 1,000 nits on the Fenix 8. That means better visibility outdoors and a much brighter, more vibrant experience. But if you want the largest AMOLED display ever on a Fenix, you'll need to step up to the Pro model, which offers a huge 1.5-inch display. And here's where things get even more interesting. If you're not a fan of AMOLED and prefer Garmin's traditional MIP display, the Pro lineup is your only option. While AMOLED looks more vibrant and modern, it consumes more power. Garmin clearly understands that some serious adventurers still prefer MIP technology. That's why the Fenix 9 Pro Solar keeps the MIP display alive, complete with integrated solar technology. And the battery life is absolutely insane. In power-saving mode, Garmin says it can last for up to 291 days. Yes, you heard that right, almost 10 months. Navigation also gets a major upgrade. Both the Fenix 9 and Fenix 9 Pro feature Garmin's new mapping engine, making map panning up to 50% faster and round-trip route calculations up to 40% faster than the Fenix 8 Pro. When you're hiking, exploring, or navigating unfamiliar locations, those faster maps could make a real difference. But the biggest exclusive feature belongs to the Pro. The Fenix 9 Pro supports inReach satellite connectivity, allowing users to stay connected even when cellular networks disappear. In emergency situations, the ability to send an SOS message through satellite communication could potentially be a lifesaver. Both watches also receive new software features, including Garmin Epic Groups, which brings together performance, activity, calorie, sleep, and health data to give you a clearer picture of your progress over days, weeks, and months. So, which one should you buy? The standard Fenix 9 delivers the essential flagship experience with a brighter AMOLED display, faster navigation, and powerful new software. But if you want the more premium titanium construction, the biggest display options, incredible solar battery life, MIP technology, and potentially life-saving satellite connectivity, the Fenix 9 Pro is clearly the ultimate choice. So, if the price difference isn't too difficult to justify, the Pro might be the one to go for. But which Fenix would you choose? The standard Fenix 9 or the feature-packed Fenix 9 Pro?